Hold on a minute, Chad. Don't mug me off, bro.
I'll show you a serve.
No, look. No, don't stop. So Turf's got to be back here. It's got to go over the wall, and it's got to land in that box. That's a serve, innit?
Right, now let's see a little serve. Go on,
exactly. But what I'm trying to say, chat, is I've actually got better.
This is how you serve, chat. You know what I mean?
I've actually got better.
Are you ready?
Serve's got to come over to my bit. Right, no. Play properly, Tom.
Let's play.
Good. Want me to go?
Go on, you start.
All right.